So in this problem, we're again simplifying expressions involving radicals. The main point of this is to recognize, these two problems at least, is to recognize that it doesn't matter how complicated what is under the radical is. If it's the same, they're like radicals. So with part A, we have the square root of 7x minus 7 times the square root of 7x plus 4 times the square root of 7x. So these are all like radicals. Square root of 7x, square root of 7x, and square root of 7x. So we can simply perform the operations on the coefficients and leave the square root of 7x. I'm going to take it a step further and actually factor so you can see what's going on here. So if we factor out a square root of 7x, what are our coefficients? Well, we're left with 1 on our first term, 1 times the square root of 7x, minus 7 times the square root of 7x, plus 4 times the square root of 7x. And again, if we redistributed that square root of 7x that we factored out, we'd end up with our original expression. So 1 minus 7 is negative 6, plus 4 is negative 2. So this simplifies to negative 2 times the square root of 7x. Part B, we have 4 times the fourth root of 5xy, plus 2 times the fourth root of 5xy, minus 7 times the fourth root of 5xy. Again, like radicals, each radical is the fourth root of 5xy. So let's factor that out. The fourth root of 5xy. And what are we left with? We're left with 4 plus 2 minus 7. That equals negative 1. 4 plus 2 is 6, minus 7 is negative 1. So this ends up being the negative fourth root of 5xy.